Derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
Hey traders, in this video we'll go over how to create cloud levels in EdgeProX. To start, click on Study in the menu bar and then select All Studies. Alternatively, you can hold Ctrl-T on your keyboard. Then type in Cloud Levels in the filter window and double-click on the Cloud Level Study to pull up its settings window. Hit the Select button next to the source window and enter the website URL in the web address window and hit OK. You can then select settings such as whether you would like the cloud levels to show up on the chart and the DOM or whatever your preference is. You can also set things such as opacity, font, etc. Once you have the settings you want, click on Create.